Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's on your side, Capricorns. So on your side we have the Page of Wands. So ready for a new beginning. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Sun. Oh, beautiful. That's beautiful. This person is really very happy with you, really finding you or this relationship as a beautiful connection. This person is happy in their own self also. Let's see what is the most likely outcome. The star is flipped. Let's see what is the most likely outcome in this situation. Oh, the Three of Swords. What's going wrong? Heartbreak. Anyway, I'd like to clarify before I say anything. Let's see, why is this Page of Wands here for? Why is this Page of Wands here for? So for the Page of Wands, we have the Seven of Cups, the King of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. Let's see, why is this Sun card here for? What's there for the Sun card on your person's side? Nine of Wands, Page of Wands, and the High Priestess. Okay. Let's see, why is this Three of Swords here for? So for the Three of Swords, we have the Ace of Wands, okay, the Ten of Wheels, and the Queen of Swords. Eight of Pentacles, the Hermit, Three of Swords once again. Oh. So Capricorns, I don't know, the first thing which came to my mind here, seeing this card, Seven of Cups, King of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles, is somebody here has a lot of options perhaps. Somebody is indecisive. Maybe you are indecisive and you are, I don't know, the vibe which I got honestly was somebody being very flirtatious or a player type of a thing. And so somebody here has many options perhaps, and it's like this person is has a lot of emotions though, but they are confused perhaps, and maybe going on the other side also, maybe this confusion is causing some sort of, why do this person feels ignored and rejected? What is this abandonment? Maybe they have some abandonment issues. Maybe you have some abandonment issues. Maybe that's how you feel deep within. It can be that also. Maybe that is why you feel confused. You're not able to make up your mind. Though you have a lot of emotions, it can be, if you try to put it positively, it can be as simple as that. That maybe, yes, there is, with the Seven of Cups, either you have many options or there is some sort of a confusion going on as to which cup to choose. Oh, but then there is something within you, which I think this is the Five of Pentacles, something is causing you to be feeling abandoned and really, really upset. Either it's something within you, that's what I'm getting. We'll see, come back to it if I can tell something more about it once we proceed with the reading. So on your person's side, we have the Sun, and this person is very, very happy, but still we have the Nine of Wands, the Page of Wands, and the High Priestess. So what I feel is, maybe this person is happy alone. Maybe this person is single since a long time. Maybe it's been a long time. This person is just being with themselves. Somehow, I don't know why, that's what I'm getting here. With the High Priestess, the Page of Wands, and the Nine of Wands, and the Sun. So this person is happy. They've been waiting since a long time perhaps, but they're happy. With the Page of Wands and the High Priestess, maybe this is a person who is now okay with being single. Something like that. One more thing is that maybe this person has been waiting since a long time, and now a small, because we have the page of wands here and the page of wands here, now maybe a small gesture from your side is making them happy. Maybe they've been waiting for this thing since a long time. It can be that also. Maybe they were waiting for a gesture from your side, since a step forward from your side, and that is what is making them so happy about it. But with the high priestess being there, this person is very intuitive. This person is just not making a move though. Most likely outcome is the three of swords, so it's a heartbreak or some sort of a pain or an agony over here. With the ace of, for that we have the ace of wands, the 10 of wheels, the queen of swords. So what I feel here is that though you want a new beginning over here and things are changing, you want things to change, I should say. I really don't know if they're changing or not, because here what I feel is we have the queen of swords, the eight of pentacles, and the hermit. So we have the high priestess and the hermit. So what I feel is that somehow it can be that this, you are also undecided, you choose one person, and maybe this person is happily single sort of, and that is making you feel ignored. It can be that, and rejected. Maybe this person is happy being alone, as I said, because maybe they are like that since a long time. They are happily single sort of, and maybe they're not ready to invest, and maybe that is what is turning you in this rejected mode. You feel bad about it, and that is what the heartbreak is all about, because there was a lot of passion, you wanted a new beginning, but things didn't happen the way you thought them to be. And here I really don't see, this is queen of swords is somebody who is, it can be you, it can be them, but this is a cold vibe. Somebody is really not interested sort of, not communicating, and that is what is causing the heartbreak. That's what I feel. And with the age of pentacles and the hermit also, yes, it is just like working on yourself and being with your own peace. I really don't see any future or anything moving forward in this relationship here, Capricorns. What is the message, guidance from the oracle cards for this reading? Listen with your heart. You are listening, but you need to hear with a loving heart. Number one may be of some significance for you. So this is the guidance. Maybe you need to talk to each other properly before, or have some sort of compassion and empathy for each other while you're talking. Maybe then, because it may avoid some sort of a heartbreak. Maybe the person you've chosen is not the right person, in the sense that they are happily single. Maybe that's what I feel. I don't know. So take it as it resonates, Capricorns. That's all I have for you. Hope it helps. Bye. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.